Well, hey everybody, I'm Mitch, old guy in a drone, and the drone today was the Tyro89, an $89 kit made by Eachine that I got from Banggood, and I gotta tell you, I really like the way this thing flies. You have no idea that it's really as tiny as it is when you're flying it. Amazingly, I got better than a 7-minute flight on this flight from a 3-cell 650 milliamp battery, which was really something. It was great to get out of the house today after a couple of weeks of being basically cooped up because of our current situation, and it was a nice warm day, and as usual the park was deserted, so no worries about being close to other people. So I just wanted to share this with you today, and I hope you enjoy the flight, enjoy the music, and I'll catch you at the end with some final comments. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this nice little flight, and I hope you enjoyed the music. I really like this little Tyro89. Very inexpensive, 89 bucks for the kit. The only change I made to it was replacing the 25 milliwatt VTX with a 350 milliwatt tiny tank from Rush, and what a difference it made. I had it set to 200 milliwatts for this flight, and that seemed more than adequate. Well, over 7 minutes, time to come in for a landing. So with that, thanks for watching, and as usual, take the rest of the day off, get outside, play with your drones. We'll see you next time.